this activity, we're going to practice counting sounds in words. Say the word run. Now you'll stretch it out. Run. Now we're going to say each sound in the word. As I say a sound, I'm going to move a yellow circle into a box. And you will lift up one finger for each sound. Ready? Let's try it together. Say run. Now stretch it. Run. Now let's count the sounds. Remember, put one finger up for each sound. N. Run. Did you put 3 fingers up? That's right, because run has 1, 2, 3 sounds. Now let's continue to practice with some more words. Say the word tea. Stretch it out. Tea. Now let's count the sounds in the word tea. 1 finger for each sound. T, E, tea. Did you put up 1, 2 fingers? That's right. The word tea has 2 sounds. Say the word mow. Stretch it out. Mow. Now let's count the sounds in the word mow. 1 finger for each sound. O. Mow. Did you put up 1, 2 fingers for the word mow? You are right. The word mow has 2 sounds. Say the word cake. Stretch it out. Cake. Cake. Now put up 1 finger for each sound in the word cake. Ready? K, A, K. Cake. Did you put up 1, 2, 3 fingers for the word cake? You are right. The word cake has 3 sounds. Say the word seed. Stretch it out. Seed. Seed. Now count the sounds in the word seed. 1 finger for each sound. S, E, D. Seed. Did you put up 1, 2, 3 fingers for the word seed? You got it. The word seed has 3 sounds. Say the word soap. Stretch it out. Soap. Soap. Now let's count the words. Let's count the sounds in the word soap. 1 finger for each sound. S, O, P. Soap. Did you put up 1, 2, 3 fingers for the word soap? You are right. The word soap has 3 sounds. Say the word row. Stretch it out. Row. Row. Now count the sounds in the word row. 1 finger for each sound. R, O. Row. Did you put up 1, 2 fingers? You are right. The word row has 2 sounds. Give yourself a round of applause.